7016 6th Avenue Northwest, dates August 17, 2022. I'm making this recording from the newly installed pair of 6-inch cleanouts here at kind of the property line near the retaining wall of the home. We are looking at the Seattle City main sewer line right there flowing by in the middle of the street. We're going to pull back from that main and almost come immediately back into our 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner. I'm pulling back through that new flow cure-in-place pipeliner. This is out under the street. We're coming back towards the property line now and this pair of cleanouts. Okay, right there we come back into the PVC that's associated with this pair of cleanouts. So you see the transition from the liner to the PVC, and we come up out of that downstream cleanout, and you can see it there on the video, and then we are going to go up the upstream cleanout. So we didn't do any lining work upstream, but we did clean the line back as far as we were able to clean it and removed all the roots. So I want to get a look at that here. If I can keep my screen semi-clear. All right, clean that screen off. We're going to pop back down that clean out. And so we're going upstream now. So we are going up. You see right here it's transitioning diameter from 6-inch to 4-inch as we come back onto the property. And we are going to shoot up along the south side of the house here. So this line, again, it's the original clay still. We cleaned it really thoroughly. You can see there's no longer root intrusion through here. There is a connection point, I believe, from at some point the downspout was connected there. But there was some root intrusion throughout this portion of the line, and it's now clear and clean. We're going to run into the turn at the back corner. We'll call it the southeast corner of the home. And that's as far as the camera is able to make it. There is the connection point on the left side of the pipe that comes in from the basement downstairs. There's kind of a funky little clean out down there that allows access to the sewer. And we should be coming up on that corner here pretty quickly. There is the corner turn. Right there, it starts to turn, and I'm unable to get around that corner, but that is the last stop on our journey here. There is a section of the line that runs along the back side of the house, but not great access to that portion. Anyway, ending the video there.